If you are asking, how do I access my money on Kikoff, you are not alone. This is one of the most common questions people have before signing up, or while already using the platform. In this video, I am going to explain exactly how Kikoff works, whether you can withdraw money from it, and how you actually benefit financially from using Kikoff. By the end, you will know clearly what Kikoff does and does not allow, so you can decide if it is right for you. Let us start with the most important thing to understand. Kikoff is not a traditional bank account. It is also not a cash loan service. Kikoff is a credit-building platform designed to help you improve your credit score by reporting on-time payments to major credit bureaus. Because of this, accessing money on Kikoff works very differently from what many people expect. When you sign up for Kikoff, you may see plans like a credit builder account or a secured credit line. This often leads people to believe there is cash sitting somewhere that they can withdraw. In reality, Kikoff does not give you direct access to cash. You cannot transfer money from Kikoff to your bank, withdraw it to your card, or take it out as cash. So what exactly is happening with your money? With Kikoff, you are essentially paying a small monthly amount to use a credit-building product. That payment is then reported as an on-time payment to credit bureaus such as Experian and Equifax. The benefit you get is not cash in hand, but an improved credit profile over time. That improved credit score can later help you qualify for real loans, credit cards, or financing elsewhere. Now let us talk about the Kikoff credit account, which is what confuses most users. Kikoff may show you a credit limit, for example a few hundred or even a few $1,000s. This does not mean you can spend or withdraw that money freely. Instead, Kikoff uses this limit internally to create a revolving credit account that helps your credit utilization ratio. Low utilization and on-time payments are two major factors in credit scoring, and Kikoff is designed around that. In some Kikoff plans, you can use the credit line only within the Kikoff ecosystem. For example, you may be allowed to spend from the credit line on digital products or services offered through Kikoff. Even in this case, you are not accessing cash. You are simply using a controlled credit line that exists to support your credit history. So if you are asking, can I withdraw money from Kikoff to my bank account, the honest answer is no. Kikoff does not allow withdrawals, cash advances, or transfers to your personal bank account. There is no withdrawal button, and there is no process to convert your Kikoff balance into cash. This leads to another important question. Why do people still use Kikoff if they cannot access the money? The reason is credit improvement. Many users come to Kikoff with little or no credit history, or with damaged credit. Kikoff helps them establish positive payment history without the risk of traditional debt. You pay a predictable monthly fee, and in return, Kikoff reports positive activity to the credit bureaus. Over time, this can raise your credit score significantly if you stay consistent. Once your credit score improves, that is when the financial benefits show up. A better credit score can help you qualify for unsecured credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, or even mortgages from banks and lenders. That is where real access to money comes in, but it does not come directly from Kikoff. It is also important to clarify refunds. Some people ask if they can get their Kikoff money back. In most cases, monthly payments made to Kikoff are not refundable because you are paying for an ongoing service. However, if you are unsure about charges or believe there was an error, the best option is to contact Kikoff customer support directly through the app or their official website. If your main goal is immediate cash, Kikoff is not the right product. It is not designed for emergencies or short-term borrowing. If, however, your goal is to build or repair your credit so you can access better financial products in the future, then Kikoff can be useful. Before signing up, it is always smart to read the plan details carefully. Understand what you are paying, what gets reported to the credit bureaus, and what results to expect. Credit building takes time, and there are no instant results. Consistency is what matters most.